Imagine a creature that looks like a prehistoric nightmare, pale, ghostly, with a snout that stretches like a sword and teeth that somehow never stop growing. It drifts through the ocean so slowly you'd think it's already dead. But when prey appears, something impossible happens. Its entire mouth shoots out of its skull like a rocket, teeth first, faster than you can blink. This isn't a fantasy. The Goblin Shark is real, hunting 4,000 feet below the surface right now. Here's the weirdo stats. First, the Goblin Shark can fire its jaws outward up to 3 inches, creating a vacuum that sucks prey directly into its mouth. Second, its snout is covered in special sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini that detect the tiniest electrical signals from muscle contractions. Third, it can unhinge its jaw 120 degrees, literally stretching its mouth wider than its own head. This shark is basically a living mousetrap made of pure evolution. Wait, it gets crazier. The Goblin Shark lives so deep and moves so slowly it barely burns any energy. Think about it, most sharks have to chase prey constantly, expending calories they desperately need. Down here in the abyss there's no chase. The Goblin Shark just waits. When a tiny fish or squid drifts by, that snout, packed with sensors, detects it, and boom, the jaw fires. It's pure ambush perfection. Evolution solved the deep-sea hunting problem by literally rewiring how a mouth works. Picture this 4,000 feet down. Absolute darkness. The Goblin Shark drifts motionless, a pale ghost in the black, barely moving. Its snout sweeps the water like a metal detector. Then a signal, an electrical pulse. A lanternfish, barely 2 inches long, flickers through the darkness. The shark's entire body tenses. One micro movement, the sensors lock on. Then, in a fraction of a second that rivals a bullet, the snout accelerates, the jaw rockets forward. And the water implodes inward, pulling the prey like a tiny vacuum. It's over before the fish even knew it was hunted. And here's the part nobody believes. Scientists barely understand how the Goblin Shark's jaw actually works. The mechanism is so specialized, so unlike any other shark, that we are still decoding it. This creature hunts in the deepest places on Earth, where almost no light reaches. Most of what we know comes from studying dead ones pulled up in fishing nets. The ocean still guards this shark's secrets. So here's my question for you. If you could steal one superpower from the Goblin Shark, what would it be? The ability to sense every electrical impulse around you, basically reading the nervous system of anything nearby. The jaw that shoots out 3 inches and hits with insane force. Or the patience, the ability to burn almost no energy, just waiting silently for the perfect moment to strike. Drop your choice in the comments. And if you thought the Goblin Shark was weird, wait until you see what we are covering next.